The problem actually started with our prior owner. So when my wife and I were looking at this house before we bought it, we noticed that there were a variety of wall anchors and then the pump system in. But actually in the long run, it made us feel so much more confident. And it's part of the reason why we bought the house is because just like anywhere in Pittsburgh with the hills, you're going to have some issues with water. But the system that was put in place has been very proactive in the 2 years we've lived here. So we can kind of rest easy with the system that's in place. So with purchasing the home and having the Baker system already in place, our prior owner did a very nice job of keeping all of the paperwork that Baker's did. And also there was a contact number where they soon after buying the home, I reached out to Baker's and talked to an associate there, and they very quickly transferred the warranty and all the other information into my wife and I's name. So that process was pretty seamless. We have annual maintenance to come out to help us tighten the wall anchors and just kind of do an overall check on the property. And when our technician, Andrew, came out, my wife and I had a whole laundry list of questions to ask him with these issues, and he couldn't have been better and more professional in the responses he gave us. Not only did he assist us with our maintenance issue, but through the questions we asked, he made us aware about another service that can go in and stop the moisture and condensation that builds up. So a concern that we had was resolved quickly and efficiently due to Andrew's professional and quick assistance. Sometimes, you'll have people that just shout out the first thing that popped in your head. We liked Andrew's meticulous approach to looking into what the issue was, asking follow-up questions to us, so that way we could specifically address the problem that we were experiencing. So we've recommended them to family members, and we would strongly recommend them to anybody having any type of water foundation issues in their home.